What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subie fam. We got Scooby warming up right now. We're gonna be heading up to the garage. We're finally gonna be installing a Koyo HERE radiator on this bad Larry. You know, she's sitting at 487 to the crank, about 409 wheel horsepower, and I think, you know, it's highly necessary, especially going into the summer now. So let's go to the garage and let's get this Koyo HERE radiator installed. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to the garage. My boy Mitch is here with the Hyper Blue. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, guys, such a treat for me when this thing comes out, man. She's so freaking clean. Oh, this video is gonna be a dope ass video, guys. I'm super gassed to install this Koyo HERE too, by the way. Look at this thing, man. Remember, guys, sub to the channel if you want to catch everything on this build. That's gonna be coming soon. My boy Mitch has bought in so many parts for this thing, and it's gonna look freaking sick, man, for sure. So clean. It's already got, you know, the S4 mirrors. So clean. We'll get more on this build soon, so make sure you're staying tuned to the channel. All right, guys, so Mitch was kind of just walking me through it because this is my first time doing a radiator, but he said he's pretty much just got these two bolts right here.
Oh yeah, and then there's two clips down below for the fans. And then two clips for the fans. Okay, and then you should have pulled these lines also. Right. Just some clamps. Yep. Pretty simple. So, and then obviously we're gonna jack the car up, drain the coolant out. Ooh. That's dope. Aluminum compared to the plastic, guys. Definitely an upgrade, well needed. Shout out to my boy Mitch hooking it up. He had this, by the way, guys. He bought it for his wagon, but it didn't end up fitting, so never used, and he's hooking me up on a steel. So shout out to the homie. All right, guys. So we got Scooby up. I'm gonna get under there, take the belly pin off so we can drain the coolant, and then we're gonna start getting the radiator out. Alright, guys, so we're under the car right now. This is where I'm going to drain it from. Just going to take this clip off and then let it drain from there. So, ready, Mitch? Alright, guys. So that coolant is draining. Mitch has pretty much got everything all set up here. Just taking one more clamp out. Honestly, guys, Koyo HERE, easy ass install. Super easy. Hella worth it too. All right, guys, so we got the radiator out. Sorry, I wasn't recording because I obviously had to help Mitch grab it out, but coolant's going. She's almost there. Mitch already went hard, took the fans off the stock radiator, so obviously now we gotta get the fans on the new one and get her in there and start burping her.
My boy Zaku pulled up to help put the Koyorad in. We just gotta show the whip real quick. Make sure you're staying tuned to the channel, guys. We got the RA and the Hyper Blue. So freaking clean. It's like I'm dreaming, I swear. Holy shit. All right, guys, so we pretty much got everything lined up, bolted in, clamped up. Mitch just putting the, the coolant reservoir back, and we're gonna start, finish pouring up the coolant, burper, and call it a day. All right, guys, Koyorad is in. Start her up, and we're gonna send it, see what happens. I did. Turn the heat on real quick, guys. Yeah, we can pull his in for sure. Get it. Should I just put it in neutral? Want to put it back? Or slide it reverse? You okay? Got a motor bar. Leave the door open though. Keep the heat on? Yeah. Leave the door open. Alright. Go slow. Yeah. I'm gonna hit gas. It's fun. All right, guys, so we just pulled Scooby out. We rolled her out. We're letting the coolant burp. Zach's gonna be bringing in the RA so we can bang out a quick oil change on her. And yeah, I'll get back to you on the Koyorad. All right, guys, we're getting some bubbles. Of course, now it's not gonna, oh, there we go. So she's burping. She's running nice. Everything's looking mint. Hell yeah. All right, guys, so fast forward, to the next day. We got the Koyorad installed. Everything was looking mint. I just made sure, and there is no leak, so we're just gonna get a quick cold start for you guys. I'll pop the hood, get some slow-mos, and we'll finish the video out. I did a chicken. It's just a lot better from the plastic. Going from plastic to obviously, you know, a thicker aluminum. It's just gonna help with the cooling. Being at, you know, a little bit more power. Definitely more of a reliability mod that must be done. All right, guys, so the radiator was super easy. Shout out to Koyo Rad, because such an awesome company, you know, absolutely amazing, fun as always. Coolant temps have already dropped, you know, I've noticed it. So I'm gonna be, you know, doing a review and getting a little pod video of this thing. I haven't driven her in a while, so now that we got the Koyo Rad on there and the weather's getting better, we're gonna be taking Subie out. We're gonna be driving her and, you know, getting a good pod video for you guys and talking more about what's going on with the setup and stuff. So, and as you guys seen, we got, you know, the RA, now we got the Hyper Blue coming to the fam. I'm super excited, you know, to start making some of these videos, you know. And I also just want to take the time and, you know, say thank you to everybody who's been supporting us, following all of our videos, liking it, you know, just showing us the support that we need, and just to, you know, motivate us to keep going. So like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It you know, shows us the world. And but yeah, I mean, I just really want to, you know, say thank you to everybody out there that's been watching our content. It means the world to me. Remember, guys, go check out all of our content. We have so many builds, so many different videos on a bunch of different stuff. But remember, if you're liking all of our content and all of the channel videos, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, do it all up. Subie fam out, baby.